Yeah, the thermopile here is very fried up. You can see the tip is actually able to be kind of burned away, actually, so it's damaged. It will definitely not work. It's also broke here. You can see. Even that's tarnished pretty good. So this is the assembly itself. I would just go ahead and get a whole new one. This is a little, that's a little suspect too. It's really loose right there. It could definitely cause a leak. May already be leaking. I would probably replace this whole thing. Looks like it's in bad shape, the pipe itself even. And this isn't even lined up right anyway. It's got a lot of corrosion too. I would probably just get rid of all of it. I can't find that part tonight though. That is, let's see, Armstrong. What type of furnace is it saying it is?
It's a
That's who serviced it right there. Oh, it's an Armstrong. That's what I was saying. I was looking at the model number.